Hi, in this session I'm going to explain you operator precedence. There is so many acronyms are available in Python. Just follow these acronyms. In these acronyms, we have a multiplication division have a equal precedence. At the same time, additional subtraction have a equal precedence. When there is a equal precedence, they evaluated from left to right. In this slide, there is so many operators available from top to bottom. From top is a higher precedence and bottom is a least precedence. Follow top to bottom whenever you are trying to evaluate a expression. I am trying to print a value of this expression. Okay, try to get a output. Here I got a minus 26 as a output. I want to change this expression to give a value as a 10. So I am changing operator precedence so that it gives a value as 10. Check out. Yeah, we got a 10. So we have to follow the operator precedence to get whatever the result we are expecting. I hope you understood. See you in the next session.